The building was built in 1906 for approximately $2 million. That was not enough because you see some of the elements on the front of the buildings were unfinished. Like you can see over the top of the windows in this case, and you compare to what happened on the top of the window of the main entrance to the building. So $2 million was not enough, but I think that Lennox objectives was twofold. Number one was the construction of an industrial building in a park setting, and to him this was extremely important. At the same time, he wanted to establish that the character of the building was imposing because it reflected what actually electricity meant at that particular time in 1906.
This is the Cathedral of Power, and there are two architectures. There's the architecture, of course, of the building, of the nave, but there's also this interesting architecture within it, which is this rhythm of the turbines, 11 of them, which march almost in a military fashion through the entire nave, and they're interconnected with these catwalks. So if you imagine this park-like setting, idyllic, peaceful park-like setting on the outside, when you go through the front doors, you can imagine the smell of diesel and oil and hot copper and just a tremendous vibration and thunderous sound. If you've seen the film Modern Times with Charlie Chaplin, it could have easily been shot in this space. Just the magnificence and scale of some of the physical equipment for lifting these turbines is extraordinary. These turbines are about 400 tons each, and you can imagine this floor busy with men oiling them and maintaining them to keep the smooth operation of power going. So to make this project possible, it had to sit on solid bedrock, which is where the wheel pins terminate. But with years and years of use and tremendous vibration caused by the generators and the shafts, the bedrock, it's been determined that it started cracking, which is one of the reasons that it was actually shut down, this facility.
When I see a building like this, you know, you're trying to figure out how you can change the use, how you can bring new life to it. I think the building it can speak to you. The building can talk to you about, you know, a period of time in which there was beauty, a period of time in which there was a lot of strength, but at the same time we have what I will call the shortcomings of it, and the shortcomings are a scale and the use of the space.
Support Ontario's public television. Donate at tvo.org.